Greetings, I'm Robert Bunnell, physical therapist and instructor through GLS. I'm here at our Toledo home base, just going to show you a couple exercises that will help with thoracic extension and rotation. And all it requires is a piece of wall space or a door. So on our setup, we're going to have our patient or ourselves, we're going to get into a staggered stance. So I'm going to put the inside foot forward, so that way I'm going to try to lock out my lumbar spine and prevent my low back from performing this task for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take now my inward arm and put my hand behind my head. What this is going to do is it's going to cause me to lock up my thoracic spine with my scapulothoracic joint, and it's going to take my shoulder blade and force my scapula to create this rotation force that I want in my mid back. So the movement looks like such. With my hand behind my head, I'm going to take my eyes and follow my elbow with my eyesight, and it's going to force my thoracic spine, which is crazy tight, to try to rotate. And we're going to come back to the middle, and we can do a couple repetitions. I typically have my patients do about 10 in a row, and I typically have them do this following any sort of thoracic or shoulder treatment, as long as it doesn't irritate their shoulder. We can have them do the same thing on the other side. Again, the inside leg is forward. What this does is it prevents the lumbar spine from twisting. If I have myself in this staggered stance with my hip flexed, I can't use my low back as well. So it forces my upper back to move. Okay, this is a great exercise to do. Like I said, as soon as you get done doing some thoracic work, you're trying to get that mobility. It's going to help improve extension mechanics of our back. It's going to help improve rotation mechanics of our thoracic spine, and it might relieve some of the shoulder issues that your patients might be coming in with. Hopefully you can use this with a patient tomorrow or even today if you're watching this with us on a weekday, and play around with it, see how it works.